Hi everyone, my name is Leah, Leasing Consultant here at Diamond Oaks Village, and we are in our Tarrango penthouse unit, 1,800 square feet, and it is our last floor plan left here at Diamond Oaks Village. So let's go ahead and take a tour to get started. We are in our master bedroom, so you've got a lot of space, plenty of space if you wanted to add a desk, in with your armoire, dressers, your king size bed, plenty of room for you. Right also off down this hallway here, which is in your bedroom, you are going to have your bathroom and large walk-in closet. In the bathroom, there's plenty of space for storage. You do have a nice vanity here for yourself as well. And there is a linen closet right behind our door here for you. Plenty of space for storing extra towels and sheets and such. And then you have a large walk-in closet as well. One thing I love about our penthouse units is there's two access units to our balcony. So you could go right through your door, right outside of your master bedroom, onto our large balcony, plenty of room for seating, whether you would like to have morning coffee, afternoon glass of wine, or evening. And also you have a wonderful view. Right now we're looking out towards the north, and you can actually see a little bit of the west, which would give you great sunsets. Go right through here. All of our apartments here in Diamond Oaks Village do have storage units. So take a look at this large unit. Huge space for storage. You can store extra clothes, shoes, bins. You can have a nice workshop if you wanted to. A little room for some arts and crafts as well. Plenty of space. Here in your kitchen, you have your stainless steel appliances, your wood cabinetry, and your granite countertops. A lot of room for cooking, a lot of room for entertaining as well for your friends and guests. Plenty of space for storage in your cabinets. And if you wanted to have happy hour up here, you could go ahead and have a lot of people over to entertain as well. Right off of your kitchen, you do have a nice space for a large dining room table, whether it be a circular, rectangle, or maybe even a high top square table. You have plenty of space for that as well. Take a look at the amount of space you have here. Plenty of wall space for large entertainment centers. You've got your coffee table. You can have your nice long, even if it's a sectional couch, plenty of room for that as well. And another access point out to your balcony from your living room. All of our windows here as well are hurricane grade windows. So you've got that protection here and nice sound unit in your apartment. Right here is where your entrance will be, so you've got a little bit of a foyer area that leads you into your living space. Another storage closet. So again, a lot of space to store things if you like. Maybe it's coats and vacuums, or it's your holiday decor. Plenty of room in there for you. In your guest bathroom, you'll be able to see another walk-in shower. You also have another linen closet. So even some more linens that are just simply maybe for your guests, you have room for that as well. And all apartments are equipped with full-size washer and dryers, which are going to be right in your hallway here for you. Large size washer and dryer. And everything is maintenance-free living here at Diamond Oaks Village, so we will come in and we'll fix anything for you. We even replace your AC filters monthly for you as well. In our guest bedroom, a lot of natural light. Again, more space if you'd like to have an office, or if you would like to put another king-size bed, you have that much space in here for you. Again, you have a walk-in closet. I absolutely love these walk-in closets. Plenty of space to store things, and if you're like me, your extra shoes. Come on right around this way. 1,800 square feet does give you a lot of room for play with your furniture and also for activities. So we have a wide range of activities here at Diamond Oaks Village. Plenty of space up here as well if you wanted to play some euchre or mahjong with your friends and relatives as well. But please give us a call and come take a tour of Diamond Oaks Village.